How to fix annoying green lines in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time. And then swipe this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings. In settings, click on general and scroll down in last and then click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now here enter your passcode to reset all your settings. It will reset all your settings but never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, the last solution is put your iPhone in recovery mode. For putting your iPhone in recovery mode, then connect your charger and press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.